Ndongoi sya kindini nisyakulwa ivoyee atongoi ala matwaiisye uneenan'ya kati wa ulei na silikali nzamani ya vamwe ya National Dialogue Committee kumanwa na muutia wa uneenan'ya ula wambiiyie kwiyumilya wikendi. Muyumbe wa westlands kauntini ilovi Tim Wanyonyi eweta kana uneenan'ya niwavata muno kwa nthi na kwoou vaina vata wa kwambiisya kelele utena vata ivindani silikali sya nzama ino ilikile kilunguni cha vata wosania wa mawoni. Benjamin Mwaka nilivota wito kuma kauntini ya ilovi.
Vindani vi vathukanyo katika twa silikali na ngaliko ulei sionekana kwithwa syambiiyie kukonya mwelekeo wa uneenan'ya wa NDC bombers. Zama hii avamwe kwi umuthi ni asyokia silikali ii chumwa kingi cha vata vyo kwanza mai vala ikwithwa thiikunikila maendekethyo hala inengiwe ni nthi ateo no ithiwa vena thina.
At the agenda number 1 is to audit the 2022 general election. How? Those people have no capacity. There is no constitutional provision for anybody to audit a general election. That, Your Excellency, we don't agree with, and we would like to ask that agenda to be dropped from those talks.
Na Raila ameniambia tukienda tuangalie macho tuone they don't mean business. We have no time to waste for this country. We have no time.
Ikienda vizuri sawa sawa. Isipoenda vizuri. Situko na njia. Simuko tayari. Muko tayari.
Mauneni ama kiuteti ma wikendi matiye makulyo manene kukonya ulumu wa uneenan'ya na yukwena na Muyumbe wa westlands Tim Wanyonyi nikana vena vata kanisa utongoesye mustali nwambe kuvoya nzama ino kwiyumilya itulumo sya kiuteti isyambiiyie eweta kana muuo kwa nthi ino vata vyo mbewa syetu syonthe.
We have hardliners on both sides. Mazungumzo yanaendelea lakini wanasema we shall not respect them. So we must pray for those hardliners to soften their hearts, that whatever the outcome will come out of these bipartisan talks, it must be for the benefit of Kenya, not for an individual.
Kuyana na team ni kana ni ndaya nene kwa utongoi wazimio kwitikila kuangamia maandamano halama naende na kwa uona mwateti mulengono wa silikali malite kunenga ndayone na nyau ni kwithwa maundu onthe meunenaniwa mesani ni meukonya wendi wa kila mwene nthi.
Ukiona baba amenyenyekea amerudi chini, inamaanisha he really cares about this country. Because when it comes to calling and stepping back, he has always done that. Not once, not twice, but many times. He's a true statesman. Na yeye amekubali kukaa chini na Mheshimiwa William Ruto waongee tupate mwelekeo hapa nchi naenda.
Uneenan'ya yuke vindani nzama ino yasyokia silikali syayo kwi umuthi pala ya kwata mavalua mama wendekethyo yana imwe na miongwena na hele kuma kwa nthi ateti na makundi kwa thukanyo matema kisilikali ondumwe na alama kukutia kisya nthi ala yumeithwa maithenikiwa na kukunikilwa ni nzamanini thi mwana ya kiuvundi thini wa ilungu ya chumwa kimwe mbewa kuvikwa mesa nene ya nzamaino ya NDC kunenaniwa.
So we have a total of 142 memoranda as reported this morning. These were done by various individuals. Some of the memoranda were by individuals, many of them by groups.
Immediately after this, the technical committees will go into session and do as much as they can, so that by the time we meet on Monday, it will be heavy engagement. We're even asking the members of the committee take it upon themselves to cut down on any possible travel because time is restricted. It is strictly of the essence.
Vilingwa mavoku mavamu sio ilovi nye dito Benjamin Mwaka.